We're here on Highway 121 in Napa County, the site of last fall's deadly wildfires. It all started the night of Sunday, October 8, 2017, when a series of 10 to 15 wildfires fanned by high winds ravaged the wine country north of San Francisco. The fires turned deadly and forced mass evacuations and multiple highway closures. The devastation, a reminder of the unpredictable force of Mother Nature. And now, months later, the fires are out, but the recovery continues. Caltrans and its contractor are busy shoring up hillsides before the winter weather sets in. Crews are tasked with taking down thousands of dead or dying trees before they fall in high winds and rains. So far, Caltrans has removed more than 700 trees, their burned tree trunks now surrounded by blackened hills. It's a challenge crews face while keeping the highway open for motorists.
We cut about 15 trees a day, but given the condition of the terrain and being a mountain road, it's very difficult, right? Because of the curves and hills.
Caltrans and its contractors have already reseeded more than 30 miles of hillsides and cleaned out and repaired ditches along at least 15 miles of highway. All of these sites are adjacent to highways in Napa and Sonoma counties burnt by October's fires. And Caltrans is not alone, as other agencies, including the County of Napa, work together.
Napa County and Caltrans have been working very hard to stabilize all these areas after all the events we've had.
It's a job that will make the highway safer for everyone. In the meantime, Caltrans and other first responders will be on the job until all the work is done. So if you're traveling through the wine country, please be work zone alert. For Caltrans News Flash, I'm Vince Chikala. Thanks for watching.